Which of the following is dimensionless constant? And options are permittivity of free space, permeability of free space, Bohr magneton, and fine structure constant. So this question was in just last year exam, GATE 2023. Now this is direct question on dimensions. Okay, so you can see how much importance this has. I also had one video on dimensional analysis, so you can check on my YouTube channel, or I will also give you in the description box. Okay, so to know what are the dimensions, we should know what are the formulas in which these constants or these parameters are there, or any physical constant, any physical parameter can be there. So for example, if we have to find out the dimension of magnetic field, then we should know in which formula the magnetic field is there, and other terms we should know their dimensions or units. Even if you know the unit of these numbers, then it is easier to solve the or to find a dimension of the part of that particular quantity. So we all know the answer is fine structure constant. This is because fine structure constant is the ratio of same quantities. That is, this alpha is nothing but speed of electron in first orbit of hydrogen divided by the speed of light. So both are speed. So meter per second will get cancelled, and there are no dimensions. But if you don't know what is the fine structure constant, if you can eliminate other three options, because this is MCQ, and this was for 1 mark. 1 mark MCQ, very easy questions. So we should know what is the permittivity, what is the permeability of free space, and what is Bohr's magneton. It is also sometimes written as alpha. Okay, so what are the values? Sorry, not alpha, mu b. We should know in which formula they come. So we know the Coulomb's law, where F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. Okay, now I don't need to solve everything here, because what I know in force you can take if it is mechanical, even if it is electrical, magnetic, nuclear force, the dimension is not going to change. Dimension or unit, that will be the fixed. Therefore, what I will check now, I will check the dimensions of other quantities which are not included in epsilon. 4 pi is just constant, it has no dimension. So here you can see Q is nothing but the charge, right? Charge is current into time. Okay, because in dimensions we take current as a basic fundamental quantity. Therefore here we have I, so it will be squared. Okay, so here nothing is there which can cancel out this I. So there must be something which is in here in dimension, and therefore this is not dimensionless. So this option is wrong. Now we can check permeability. So there can be various formulas for this. Okay, but I will check for this B is equal to mu naught I, which is simplest formula. So I know there is some dimension of B, there is some dimension of I, and which is not same. There must be something mu is having, and therefore this option is also incorrect. You can go with other formulas also, right? We have this C is equal to under root mu epsilon. This formula you have. So you can go on trying, but you have to choose the simplest formula, okay, to find out the dimensions. We have Bohr's magneton. Now Bohr's magneton also has some value E h cross upon 2m. Where is m is mass of electron. Me we can also write. This one is charge. This is angular momentum, and this is mass. So suppose even if there are some quantities which can get cancelled, but here is some charge. So charge, again there is current, so there is nothing to cancel out the current, and therefore Bohr magneton must have some unit, must have some dimension. I'm not going to derive this because that is not my motive in this video. My motive is I am showing that whether the quantity has dimensions or not. So I proved that it has no dimension. So even if you don't know what is the formula for fine structure constant, then also if you know other three, then you can find out the this is the correct option. So the dimensionless constant is fine structure constant.